Hi, my name is James Simmons and I joined the Parker IT graduate scheme in September in 2012. I'm currently working in the International Implementations Department. My primary role is to work with organisations that we have recently acquired and basically integrate our IT systems with theirs.
Hi, my name is Jaspal Singh and I'm currently an IT graduate here at Parker. I started the scheme in September, so it's been 4 months and I'm currently finishing up my last placement within the e-business team.
One of the things that really stood out for me at Parker was the recruitment process. I found that the assessment centre was a lot more relaxed than any other companies that I'd applied for. Everyone was really welcoming and it was quite informal. Obviously we're all there to get the job, but we also had the chance to sit with the graduates from the previous year at lunch, which was really good for them to give us their opinions and experience that they had so far.
During our induction here at Parker, which was over a 3-week period, we were given a site tour of the headquarters here at Hemel Hempstead, as well as a breakdown of each department. As well as this, we were also given the opportunity to go on location to Warwick, to a manufacturing plant. This really gave me a great insight and an appreciation into the size and scope of what Parker does, what we are doing here at corporate and how it affects the manufacturing side of the business.
On the IT graduate training scheme, we have 3 different rotations. I'm currently in the first. They are basically covering our 3 main departments and some of the most cutting-edge technology that the company utilises. Globally, there are around about 1,000 IT professionals within Parker. Around about 100 of them are in the building that I work in, which is corporate IT in Hemel Hempstead. This is enabling me to benefit from a vast amount of experience from quite seasoned professionals.
Hi, I'm Grant Jenkins. I finished the graduate scheme last year and now I'm currently working as an implementations analyst. So my first placement on the Parker graduate scheme was with the International Implementations team. With this team, I travelled around Europe, going to really lovely countries like Norway and Finland. So on the grad scheme you get to meet so many different people and deal with a lot of different technology.
For me, my highlight since I joined Parker was supporting a rollout of our predominant IT system within the Czech Republic, working with a pan-European team with colleagues from obviously the UK, from Sweden, from the Czech Republic and also from Germany. It was a fantastic experience for me and it's something I look forward to doing in the future.
My highlight so far while being here has definitely been my first solo project. This involved me liaising with the managers from the Learning and Development team, carrying out the specifications that they wanted. Once when the initial project was signed off, had great feedback and it was extremely satisfying to know that I had accomplished everything that I wanted to do with my first major project.
My highlight so far was my trip to Sweden. After a month of working in my first placement, I was given the opportunity to go and assist with the launch of some new HR software. I trained some of the Swedish HR managers on how to use the software with a piece of software that I'd only been using myself for a month, but I was given the opportunity to train them, which I think reflects good on the programme for giving me the opportunity to do so. As we were in Sweden for a few days, we had the evenings to ourselves and the HR managers arranged a nice evening meal for us and even took us out curling, which I've never tried before.
So on the grad scheme, we had many different training courses that we went on, and one of those was all about how to deal with presentations effectively. And on this course, I learned a great deal about doing that, and I felt like I developed my leadership skills. So what makes the IT graduate scheme at Parker really stand out is the amount of trust and responsibility they're willing to give you right from the beginning. It really makes you feel like you can make a difference and you can impact the company. It's empowering.